Hi, this video will show you how to make a video in Flipgrid to explain how an atom forms an ion. So first, when you open the atom and ion chart, you're going to want to take a partial screenshot. Control Shift Window Switcher key, which is above the number 6 key. Drag your cursor over the table. Click Copy to Clipboard. Next, I will go into my Flipgrid app, and I'm ready to record my response. So I'm going to hit Record Response. And here I am in our classroom, which one day hopefully you'll be back in here with us. I'm going to click on Effects, and then I'm going to choose my whiteboard. I'm just going to choose a blank whiteboard. And now to split my screen so I have more of a whiteboard space, I'm going to drag my slider. I'm shrinking. This way I have more of a whiteboard space. But now I want to put that table here that I had the partial screenshot of. Once again, I'm going to click on Effects, and I'm going to click on Photo. And I'm going to click here just to drag an image file or click to browse. So if I just go into Recents first of all, I'm in my Google Drive. So go to Recents, and my partial screenshot should be there since it's the last thing that I screenshotted. I'm waiting for it to load. Sorry. There it is. And I'm going to open it. Whoop, and I could place it on my whiteboard in Flipgrid. Amazing. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw at least one Bohr model here. I'm going to do a nice easy one for you.